If you are struggling with your money right now, if you feel like you are constantly working but your bank account is barely moving, stop scrolling. Put the phone down. The next few minutes could redefine your financial future. The reality of staying broke boils down to arithmetic, hidden in plain sight by a system that prefers you didn't see the numbers. Look around. The modern world is aggressively engineered to pull money out of your future and drop it directly into someone else's profit margin. We are taught to be phenomenal consumers and terrible investors. Every $15 streaming subscription you forgot to cancel, and every $700 car payment for a vehicle you drive to a job you hate, is actively robbing your future self. Then there is the quietest trap of all, lifestyle creep. Every time your income goes up, your expenses scale up to match it, ensuring you never actually get ahead. Escaping this cycle requires stripping the emotion away from your money and executing a strict mathematical formula. When I tell people they need to invest $500 a month, they usually panic. But let's break that down. $500 a month is roughly $16 a day. That is the exact cost of a single routine food delivery order. It is a couple of overpriced coffees and a pastry. If you take that $500 a month and invest it in the US stock market at an average historical return of 8 to 10%, in 30 years, that daily delivery money turns into over $1 million. Your daily habits are making someone a millionaire. The only question is whether it's going to be you or the CEO of a fast food chain. So how do you actually execute this? You don't need to day trade, pick individual stocks, or buy crypto. You just need a rigid 3-lane system. Lane 1 is the free money lane. If your company offers a 401k match and you aren't taking full advantage of it, you are literally handing earned salary back to your boss. Take the match. Lane 2 is the tax-free lane, the Roth IRA. You fund this account with after-tax money, you invest it, and when you retire, the IRS cannot touch a single cent of your gains. It is the greatest legal tax cheat code in America. Lane 3 is the flexibility lane. This is a standard, low-cost brokerage account for anything extra, giving you access to your liquidity before traditional retirement age. This board shows the S&P 500 index ticker. Inside all 3 of those lanes, you buy low-cost index funds, or ETFs, that track exactly this, the S&P 500 or the total stock market. When you buy these funds, you are making a wager that the top 500 companies in America will wake up tomorrow and make a profit. You are hitching your cart to the raw operational power of these massive retail and tech giants. Actual wealth is built by ignoring the noise and mathematically anchoring your money to the daily operations of the American economy. But here's the catch. The only investing strategy that works is the one you automate. You have to remove human decision-making entirely. You need to set up your investment transfers to pull from your checking account the immediate millisecond after your paycheck arrives. Pay your future self mechanically, before the car dealership, your landlord, or the restaurants take their cut. Finally, listen to me carefully. The stock market will crash. It will dip, the news cycle will panic, and your coworkers will beg you to sell everything. Do not sell. You must invert your instincts. Market crashes are just purchasing discounts on your financial future. The wealthy stay wealthy by refusing to interrupt their automated compounding engines during periods of macroeconomic fear. Stop funding corporate dreams. Run the numbers, lock in the automation,